Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Santosh Mohanty. Today I'm going to discuss, today is 21st August, Saturday. So today I'm going to show my yesterday trade, that is my Friday trade, that was 20th August. Apart from that, I'm going to show you my PNL for the month of August and ROI I have generated for the month of August and the ROI I have generated till in 2021. Okay, from Jan to August. Okay, total profit from Jan to August and August profit and losses and my student rate and ROI and August series. Okay, so this is my login account. Okay, uh, so today is 21st October. August. I'm recording this video. So let's go to the back office. First check my ROI for yesterday. Go to console. Okay, and this is report, opinion report. Okay, now go to equity, equity uh, 20. Okay, just check the profit and loss on 20th. Previous day, that is yesterday. Uh, no, just okay. This is 20. Okay, Friday. Yeah. This is a profit I have made yesterday. I taken a 5 trade, Hindalco, Jindal Steel, Mindtree, and Tata Steel, Vedanta. So this is a profit I have generated yesterday. Okay, all our metal I'm keep on shorting metal heavily yesterday, and I was long in Mindtree, but all are short trade in Hindalco, Jindal Steel, Tata Steel, and Vedanta. So this is the profit I have made yesterday. Okay. So profit for August series. Okay, let how much it is. Okay, this is my profit for August series. Okay, I made total 1.49 lakhs. Okay, and after cost and like brokerage and other charges, it will be 1.3. Okay, this is total profit I have generated in August series. Okay, only 3 days I have lost. That is 880, 618 and 100 rupees. Okay, so there are three lost making days, but the loss is very small. Okay, in comparison to profit I made. Okay, so this is my total profit 1.3 lakhs. And what is the ROI? Let's check what is the ROI. Okay, 1 lakh 34,000 divided by 4 lakh 50,000. Okay, I started this August series with 4.5 lakhs. Those who are watching my previous video, they knows it. I started the 4.5 lakhs, so into 100. Okay, this is coming 29.77. Okay, 29% ROI. So my monthly target is 10% and I far ahead. Okay, almost 3 times to a monthly target. Okay, so this is my profit I have generated for the month of August. August, and ROI of 29%. And total profit for 2021 from Jan to till now. Okay, that is 4.2 lakhs. Okay, 4.24 lakhs. Okay, that is total profit till now. From Jan to up to now. Okay, total profit is 6.25. Then the brokerage is almost 2 lakhs. Initially I do a lot of mistakes, so that is why brokerage is very high. Now certainly I am taking control of doing mistakes. Okay, I am going to take only best trade. Okay, I am taking only best trade and not over trading. Just because of that, certainly I found my brokerage commission that was I was paying before has suddenly come down. So I just refresh it. This is a 4.5 lakh. It's all our cash tech, all our equity, only intraday. Every most of the time, 99% time I've been trading. Okay, there are hardly 3 to 4 days I do not trade. 3 to 3 days I didn't trade, and most of there are some days where there is off weekly. Holiday, but most of the time I'm trading. All are intraday trading. Okay, all are intraday in cash trading, not option selling. Okay. Okay. And this is my profit for 2021, and this is my profit for August. Okay. And this is my profit for yesterday. Okay, that is Friday. Okay. So I will discuss the trade. Okay. So I'm not going to discuss all the trade. Okay, I will discuss a big trade like Tata Steel or Mindtree. One loss making trade, that is Mindtree. One big trade like Tata Steel. Okay. So let's go to Tata Steel. Tata Steel, my entry, exit, and SL. Okay. Tata Steel. Look at the Tata Steel chart. Okay. Okay. Tata Steel, if you look to daily chart of Tata Steel, is looking pretty bullish. Okay, it's looking pretty bullish. Okay, and from last 2 to 3 trading session, I certainly found the key levels of Tata Steel. Not holding at all. Okay, it coming falling like anything. And yesterday it was fall. This is the just go. This is last. This is last 3 days support level. Okay. Okay, for 16th, 17th and 18th, this is the key support level. Okay, this is key support level Tata Steel. And most of the trader those who have created position in this level, all this level, this level, they all, most of them will keep the SLRs here, almost here. Okay, because if this SL taken out, so Tata Steel definitely going to fall. Okay, because initially this is the high, this was working as a resistance, and once it taken out the resistance, just go to our chart. Okay, this is a resistance, and it convincingly taken out a resistance on 16. Okay, and all are taking position, this level, this area, all are taking position. Okay, right. And those all trader who are taking position on all these levels, okay, where would be their stop loss? The question is, where would be their stop loss? Okay, they all have kept in the stop loss here. Okay, this is why, because it was a previous swing high and act as a resistance, and the moment this resistance are taken out, so this resistance become a support. Okay, those who understand price action, they knows that when a resistance taken out, that resistance going to act as a support. Okay, so all the traders in this area, these areas, okay, who are created Tata Steel position, buying call option or selling put option, whatever it is, they all keep the stop loss here. Okay, but today it open below that level. Okay, so when it open below that level, it is obvious there going to be a panic selling. Okay, it is obvious there going to be a panic selling. Okay, as for the market open, I keep on, here, this level I shorted here, my SL was here. Okay, initial, then I added quantity here, then I keep adding quantity here, all the level, every rise, even here is given a bounce back. Okay, once it's given a bounce back, I added a position here and added my stop loss here, then I added a position here also. Okay, and simultaneously I keep on trialing stop loss. Okay, I keep on trialing my stop loss closer and closer. Okay. Okay, and finally I no finally I trial my stop loss to this level, and I exit almost in the bottom. Okay, I shorted here. Okay. Okay, I shorted here, add a position here. Okay, and finally exited here. Okay, my total quantity, if you look, it is 1000 quantity. I initially started with 200 100 quantity. Okay, and then keep on adding 200 200 100 200 when in my winning position. Okay, so when I shorted here this level, okay, and kept my stop loss here, when Tata Steel came down here, okay, I was profit out, almost 2.5 thousand. Okay, then another 2500 quantity added here, and my I trial my stop loss in this level. Okay, this level, this swing high. Okay. Uh, okay, so that means, if Tata Steel reverse from this level like this, if it reverses, then it would hit my stop loss. Still I would exit, cost to cost, because my first trade was successful. If second trade, after adding extra position, if it reversing, still I would exit with cost to cost. Okay, but fortunately it didn't happen. It keep on falling and I keep on adding position. Okay, that is how I made, 22,000 profit in Tata Steel. Okay, so the logic is very simple. I explained why taking a trade. Okay, let me remove all this. Okay, uh, if we go to hourly chart. Okay, Tata Steel support is here because this it was, showing high. Once this high is broken, taken out, this become a support for Tata Steel. So all those position created this level, this level, this level, this level, this level, they will keep the stop loss here or here. Okay, almost this level. But today it gap down, below this levels. Okay, so that is a obvious reason people, those who create a position, they going to sell it, their existing position. Okay, those are long term buyer. They want to hold Tata Steel for 2 3 years. They don't care. But those who are, positional trader, okay, trading Tata Steel for 2 to 3 month view, they cannot hold the position. Okay, because when they are lost, they have to exit the position. Okay, that's the trick. Okay, and for investor, Tata Steel is still, looking bullish. Okay, till this level not taken out. Okay, for investor, there is no reason to get panic. Okay, you can add slowly all these levels. Okay, all the down front Tata Steel. But for a position trader, they cannot hold Tata Steel for longer time. Okay, the time horizon is between 2 months or 3 months. Okay, and they look to support resistance, and accordingly they take decision to entry and exit. Okay, so long term investor, Tata Steel is still look bullish, but for position trader, Tata Steel is looking, slightly negative now. Okay, so this is the trade of Tata Steel. Let's go to the another trade where, I made losses. Okay, I'm not going to discuss all the trade. uh, just refreshed. Okay, where I made the losses, that is Mindtree. I made losses. Mindtree trade. Okay, look the daily chart of Mindtree. Okay, look at daily chart of Mindtree, super bullish. It is, okay, that I made loss, but my trade wasn't, incorrect. My setup is perfect. It was, perfect setup. I was taking the trade yesterday, but it didn't work out. That is fine. It happens, many a times when even having, excellent setup, still you, have a loss. That is the part of the trading. And if your money management in place and your sizing money management in place, so nothing to worry. So I know that accuracy is almost 70%, 30% I'm going to lose money, but since I don't oversize or don't over trade, so I can manage. So why I taking a trade, I'll tell you. Look at the chart at, Mindtree. Even tomorrow, if I ask you to short Mindtree, what you do? Will you dare to short? No. To short a trade, we need a resistance. Okay. To short a stock, we need a resistance. Okay. And I don't see there is a resistance. If, for example, Mindtree, this is high. This is the high of Mindtree. Okay. This is the high of Mindtree. For example, tomorrow Mindtree open here. Will you able to short? You cannot short. But if you short here, where you put your resistance? To stock, sell a stock, you need to have a resistance. Okay, for example, if you short Mindtree this level, you can put your stop loss here. Okay, if you're shorting here, you can put a stop loss here because this is a resistance. Okay, this is a resistance. You can short here. Is this area you can short, in this area you can short, you can put SL here. But if you look this chart, where you put a stop loss even shorting Mindtree, there is no question of shorting Mindtree. You always, this kind of setup, always try to find a long trade. Okay, So that is the reason I take the long trade entry, but didn't work yesterday. Okay, didn't work yesterday. And if you look to the CPR, if it's trading above the CPR, those who are understand CPR concept, every for continuously, last 5 trading session I can found, continuously 4 days it trading above the CPR, super bullish. Okay, if yeah, this super bullish, nobody going dare to short my entry. Okay, be it a positional trader or if in a intraday trader, nobody can trade, because to short my entry they need a resistance point where it didn't have the entry chart. If you go to daily chart, go to 15-minute chart or go to daily chart, no resistance is found. Okay, so there is no question of shorting my entry, so I have to go long. So what I did, okay, just identify this level. Okay, this was a high, this was a high. I didn't wait to, it wouldn't break a day high. I just mark this high, this high, this high is 3369.75. When this high taken out, I decide to go long in my entry. Okay, and I exactly entry, when this high taken out, and I put my SL here. Okay, and it taken out, went up to 3400, then it come back and tick my stop loss. And that is why I have 300 quantity one trade, I made losses. Okay, so still, I'm happy because yesterday I heavily shorting metal stock, so lost the part of the game. So I didn't uh, have any concern or very because I have lost money in Monday, because anyway it's a part of the game. You have to so there are some days we're going to make money, there are some days you're going to lose. Okay, but make sure your loss is smaller. Okay, look, my loss in Mindtree, that is 5,300 lost, and my profit in Jindal Steel 8,000, my profit in Tata Steel 20,000. It is 1:4. If you compare the Mindtree, loss to Tata Steel profit is 1:4 and 1:2 with Jindal Steel. Okay, so that's the reason. Okay, choosing the right stock would help you. Okay, and I was pretty shut on yesterday to bet on mostly metal stock. Okay, and it worked for me. Okay, so uh, so this is my profit. Okay, this is my profit. Okay, and so I'm not created a video from last 2 days, uh, because as I already mentioned many times that I am a trader, part-time trader, and simultaneously in my another laptop I'm doing my office work, attending my office meetings. Okay, doing my personal things, office and personal things, and other terminal I'm just watching a chart and taking trade. Okay, so there's nothing much to said. Okay, all these are made, this profit is made by just intraday, doing intraday, that within cash stock. Okay, okay, and profit is possible even doing intraday in cash stock. Okay, most of the successful trader they believe it's not possible to make money in trading cash stock. If you're doing option selling you can do it, but cash stock is really risky. Yes, it's true, they are true. It's not easy to make profit in trading cash stock, but but it's difficult but not impossible. Okay, it is difficult but not impossible. If I've done it, you also can done it. It's a matter of practice. I took 3.5 years to be perfect on this game, and if you're ready to give 2 year 2.5 years, and with discipline and dedication, nothing is impossible. Okay, if I can do, everybody can do. Okay, so then nothing. Okay, so fine guys, thanks for watching my channel, and if you love my content, especially price action concept and my content, how I identify support and resistance, my logic behind taking a trade. Okay, where I taken a trade, where is my stop loss, where are my exit point. If you loved all this content, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will keep on posting regular videos in coming days nowadays just because of my office, work, I'm not able to manage and create video every single day. So I decided to do it in weekends. Okay, I try to do regular video. So thanks for your time. Please, if you like my, content, please like and share and subscribe my channel. And very soon going to have a new video. Okay, and new trade and all explain. I'm going to explain everything. So till then, happy weekend. Goodbye.